How to fix Visa gift card on hold. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and in the source bar, search for Visa gift card. There might be a several reason for your Visa gift card to be on hold. One of the reason might be that you don't have enough funds in your account. If that's the case, then you need to make sure that you have enough funds on your account. Well, the next reason might be that the server might be down and it is not stable enough. In that case, all you want to do is to wait for the server to get fixed. And once it has been fixed, you can try using your Visa gift card. It might fix the issue that you have been facing. Now the next reason might be that your Visa gift card is blocked or inactivated. So you just have to contact the customer service and tell them that your Visa gift card is not working. After a while, they will analyze your account and probably fix your issue, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix Visa gift card on hold. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching it till the end.